Maybe I was confused, or did you feel it too? In that room, it suddenly just felt like it was me and you. 'Cause I forgot about your friend. What's his name again? I really can't recall a single thing of what.
Hey y'all, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My name is Kimmy, and in today's video we're going to do some cleaning. I also want to take y'all to Family Dollar and Dollar General to look at the Valentine's Day decor. I want to get some flowers. What else? There was more. But anyways, okay, let's go ahead and get into the cleaning. So I hope y'all are having a good day so far. I am going to get started making the bed. That way I can get all this laundry put away that I've been folding over the week. It's finally time to put it away. I had to grab Margaret because she will get shut in the closet because I will forget.
Like this, the universe, 'cause every single thought leaves your name on my lips. Universe, wish I could cut myself loose, but I hold on to you. Now I'm in your city, wasting time. Oh God, I wish you knew. I hate being in between. I wanna make a scene, still hoping for you and me. Wondering what could have been. It was just like waking up from a fever dream. When I found out that you have someone else and that she knows about me. What a waste on such chemistry. But if we could fuck the rules, you would be with me. If I'm not supposed to think about you like this, then universe, 'cause every single thought leaves your name on my lips. Universe, you know I don't believe in shit like fate, but lately things have happened that I can't explain. You're miles away, still I know what you're thinking of. The universe, I'm losing it, I'm going crazy. Trying my best just to stay awake. Losing it, I'm going crazy. This feeling is driving me half insane. If I'm not supposed to think about you like this, universe. If I'm not supposed to think about you like this, then universe, 'cause every single thought leaves your name on my lips. Universe, you know I don't believe in shit like fate, but lately things have happened that I can't explain. You're miles away, still I know what you're thinking of. The universe.
Later on in today's video, we are going to romanticize a little bit. I'm going to take y'all to Family Dollar and Dollar General and see what Valentine's Day decor they have. But a surprise to me is Dollar General actually had out a lot of their spring decor already, so I'll go ahead and share that with y'all as well. We're going to bake some Valentine's Day cookies, get some Valentine's looking flowers from the grocery store, and just make our house look romantic and cozy. So I'm excited to share that with y'all later on in the video, so definitely stay tuned for all of that.
Round and round, oh yeah. I know that I can't do more. I know that you feel the same. Why do we keep playing all of these games? I don't wanna go, 'cause your love is what I want, babe. You know that I wanna stay this way forever. I wanna stay up all night with you. No games to play, just wanna stay up all night with you. I know that it won't be easy, maybe we're just too alike. I wanna stay up all night with you. You know my friends think that I'm crazy 'cause you're
Moving into the bathroom, I just need to put away my makeup and get everything cleared off the counter, and then I'm going to set up one of those moisture eliminators that I got from Dollar Tree.
Why we keep on playing all of these games? I don't wanna go, cause your love is what I want, babe. You know that I wanna stay this way forever. I wanna stay up all night with you. No games to play, just wanna stay up all night with you. I know that it won't be easy, maybe we're just too alike. I wanna stay.
So here's the moisture eliminator, and I totally did this wrong because I did not read the directions. So I peeled off the plastic and then I opened the lid and I peeled off the aluminum foil. Well, underneath the foil there was this white piece of paper, and I thought it would be a bright idea to take that part off as well. Well, when we get to the laundry room, I have another one that I'm going to put on the dryer, and I actually did take a second to read the label, and it said to leave the white part on. So now I'm just going to have to be really careful in the bathroom when I go to dispose of that one, because there's not going to be anything to keep the water in the container. So I'll just have to dump it out, I guess. But I'm going to go ahead and start this load of laundry. That way by the end of the video, I can put these clothes in the dryer. And I'm using the Persil laundry detergent, the Downy light scent beads in the vanilla scent, and then some of that Brillo Basics Oxy powder.
Up all night with you.
You take my love for granted. Say a bunch of stuff you never mean, yeah. I think I need a minute to figure out my limits. You cross them more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else.
I let these I let these dishes dry overnight. Y'all, I have a plastic partial in my mouth, so sometimes the words just don't come out right. But anyways, who cares about that? I'm just gonna get all these dishes put away. That way we can move on to the next thing. So it has been super cold in North Carolina, and that is why our water is dripping. We do not want to run the risk of frozen pipes and have to wait for them to dethaw or even bust. That would be the worst. So we have just let the water run, and we're paying for it. Our water bill is normally like $15, and this month it was $20 because of the water just constantly dripping in each room. We are in Family Dollar. I noticed they had Valentine's Day decor the other day, so I wanted to come back and show y'all. Okay, y'all, I'm in Dollar General now. They've got a lot more than Family Dollar. I'm looking for a vase. I just picked up some flowers. Alright, that's all the Valentine stuff they had. I did, whoops. Should I still get it? I was gonna grab this. I think so. It just stands up like that. It's only $1. But they do have a lot of spring stuff out already. So I'm assuming whatever they put out for Valentine's Day is all they're gonna put out. That's so pretty. I'm glad to see the muted pastels coming back. Oh yeah, this is my style. This reminds me of my bedroom. So cute. That mat down there is so cute with the bumblebee. And then they've got the bright pastels over here. Oh, look how cute. The love pillow.
Feeling like you just wanna break my heart. No, it's getting kinda obvious what you want from me. Only calling when you feel alone. You make promises, then you let them go. So if you just wanna have my body, you better go find somebody else.
I'm back from Family Dollar and Dollar General. I didn't get anything at Family Dollar, but I did get a few things at Dollar General, and then I got the prettiest flowers for Valentine's at Food Line. So this garland was only $1. I'm gonna try to put it up there. Either that, or actually I may put it over there. That needs something around the air conditioner. That's what I'll do, because this is already red. We'll do that. So $1. They had different ones. They had these, red, a wire one. Y'all saw this. It was also just $1. Grab this too. There's a little shelf over here I haven't put anything on. I had some stationery stuff there when my desk, I guess, when my computer was in here. But I moved my computer back to my office, so now that space is empty. So, love you more. It was just $1. And then this was $3. Super cute. And then at Food Lion, these are the flowers I got. How pretty. So we got to get those in right now. Also picked up some Hearts cookies, so I'm going to make a few of these now.
It's getting kinda obvious what you want from me. Only calling when you feel alone. You make promises, then you let them go. So if you just wanna have my body, you better go find somebody else.
So here's a hack if you want your flowers to last up to 2 weeks. Instead of cutting them at a 45-degree angle when you trim these stems, I actually cut mine about a 75-degree angle pretty much straight up, and I cut a big amount off. That way there's more room for them to soak up the water. Also, I do not fill up my vase all the way, just enough for the stems to get that water, because the more water that's covering the stems, the faster they're going to ripen, if you will. Also, I've heard that if you have a bowl of fruit right next to your flowers, they will not last as long. And I guess it's because of the chemicals that are released when the fruit is ripening. It just makes the flowers go faster as well. So keep them in a cool place, not in direct sunlight, not around heat, and they should last a good amount of time.
Was years ago, but I still see your face. Freckles on your cheeks.
It is tradition in our house to buy these sugar cookies from Pillsbury every time there is a season around. So this one happens to be Valentine, so these have little hearts on them. You can't even tell that they're hearts, y'all, once they're done baking. But that's what we do. I love doing it because it's just, traditions are just so sweet and something to look forward to each season. So now I'm just going to go ahead and switch over the laundry, and that will wrap up the cleaning in today's video. And my sweatshirt is from Amazon. It's got the XOXO, but the O's are hearts. I think this sweatshirt's so cute because, I can get away with wearing it all year round. So I will leave the affiliate link in the description box down below for y'all. Years ago, but how can I forget? We were 16 up on. Alright, y'all, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and you got a little bit of inspiration to decorate or just bring in the romantic vibes into your house. I will see y'all back here tomorrow for a brand new video, so subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you then. Bye.